high form, high Year 11 dancers. Just Miss Barbin here wishing you well for the future, hoping that your exams went really, really well. I also would love to hear how you did after the exams, whether you're staying on at school, whether you're going to college, whether you're doing lots of dance or drama things. Remember to stay in touch. I wish you all the best with your future. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Obviously, good luck, guys. Hope all goes well. 3 bits of advice: always better to be early than late. Travel as much as you can, and do as many jobs as you can until you find one that you love, and then stick with it. But good luck. Hopefully I'll see some of you guys in the future, and feel free to buy me a drink when you see me.
Well done, Year 11s. It's been nice having you in my lessons. You're a great group of students. I know you have lots of talent and you're going to do extremely well wherever you go. Please keep in touch. Keep us in your mind. When you're successful, come back and say hi to us once again. Thank you, much appreciated. Bye-bye.
Hi Year 11s, good luck for the future. I'm wishing you all the best. I've had a great time being a tutor over this year, and yeah, so special thanks to my tutor group and all the Year 11s I've taught. Wishing you all the best in the future.
Year 11-7. Just want to say good luck to you all with your exams. Good luck to you with your lives in the future. Enjoy life as much as you can, take every opportunity, work as hard as you can, and just generally smash it.
Good luck Year 11, best wishes for the future. Hope you all manage to get whatever you deserve and want. Bye bye.
Hi Year 11, it's been amazing teaching you this year. All the best for the future. A special thank you to my tutor group. So for one last time, Adam, put your blazer on please. Sherry-Ann, Evie, please stop talking and take the rings and the bracelets off, and just have a lovely time, guys.
Hi Year 11, it's been a really good experience teaching you. I wish you all the best for the future in whatever you're doing.
It's been a long old slog since you started your exams way back at the end of May. Many days revising, day in, day out, unit 6, putting the time on the graft in. Just to get the best grades that you can get. But naturally, in all fairness, you guys look amazing. You're growing up. A lot. And wow, you've made it. Can you believe it? It seems like only yesterday, I'm shaking. Guys. It seems like only yesterday that you arrived as adorable, equal little Year 7s. There were smiles, tears, and excitement. I recall one of you, not mentioning any names, in tears because a pencil case was missing and hadn't made it into their school bag on that very first day. Some of you carrying bags bigger than yourselves and getting lost as you move across the site. But, to be fair, many of you still manage to get lost when you're moving from one lesson to another, even in year 11. And then we sent you home, due to some crazy virus, cast away to spend the remaining 4 months at home. COVID hit, and we had home learning and Teams lessons as normal. Hands, face, space was the motto. Blinding the lights got us all tick-tocking. But when you returned to Stimpson, I became your head of the year. I tried to instill in you the values we strive to as a school, and that Mrs. Reid had already begun to impress upon you. Amongst the weekly messages, there were a variety of themes: kindness, respect, motivation, aspirations, culture, amongst many other things. Oh, and let's not forget, Miss, is it going to be another assembly on resilience? I recall relaying messages to you each and every year about aiming high, reaching for the stars, about how you are going to be the year group that achieves the highest set of results. And look at you. You will be the highest and best set of results that Ken Stimpson Academy will have achieved. Oh, and the first set of results. From year 7 through to year 11, messages of being like a family and looking after yourselves and each other were stitched into everyday preachings. Look out for each other like your family. There were acts of kindness. Stick together and continue to look after each other. We are proud of you. There are some friendship groups that have stood the test of time and grown, and those that have diminished in numbers. There have been fights and fallouts. There have been apologies and our sakes. You have always been an interesting bunch of characters. Now look at you. Year 11 leaders, a great bunch of individuals ready to conquer the world. At least see what the real world means when your alarm goes off at 7 a.m. and there's no snooze option. Honey, this is a real thing. You are about to embark on one of the best summers ever, and trust me, this is one of the best summers ever. In weeks, months, you may start to miss bits of the school here at Ken Stimpson Academy, like the canteens, chicken and chips, or some of the teachers and the staff that have seen you along the journey. But keep with you the memories. Keep with you the memories and the lessons learned along the way. As you embark into the next steps of your future, remember to look after yourselves. Eat from the 4 major food groups: sugar, salt, fat, and liquid. Keep yourself hydrated. Carry a fork with you. If someone tries to rob you, pull it in your pocket and say, "Thank you, Lord, for this meal I'm about to have," and charge at them with that fork. Why do you think I used to walk around eating my lunch all the time? Remember to set your standards high in each and every one of your future endeavors. Follow your dreams. Reach for the stars, and you will achieve great things. Be the best version of yourself. Be the best that you can be. Do it with pride and listen to your heart. Life is going to throw you a bit of crap from time to time, but you guys have the tools to deal with it. You have the courage to conquer it. And let's face it, you're pretty well versed in resilience. Anyways, Now that I'm finished shaking, I love you guys. You know I always have. You are a bloody awesome group of people. All the best to you guys next year. Thank you.